Well, in the ongoing saga of the Ghost, the Pacific Coast 800, we got stalled this summer. We took the air box off. It's just set on top of the carburetors and not fastened down so we could start it up and move it. So we got stalled this summer with other projects and did not get the carburetors off of the bike. So I, quick like a bunny, put all the tubes back on the carburetor temporarily, put the air box back on so it would run, and moved it in here to the motor workshop. It was getting too damp in the shed that I built last year, and I didn't want the bike to rust, so I moved it in here. It's a clean, dry place so that I can work on the bike in the winter. If I have to, I can heat it up in here. So I'm just going to start the bike up here and show you that still running right along. Temperature's not up very high, but that's cold. But anyway, here she is. So this winter we'll drain the fork oil, and we'll take off this anti-dive device and clean it and inspect it. Put new fork oil in it. We'll change the hydraulic fluid for the brakes and the clutch. We've got new tires on it. It's been cleaned. Lubed most things. So next spring she'll be ready to go, and I'm not sure if I'm going to take the carburetors off or just button it back up and run some Techron or some other kind of cleaner through it for a few hundred miles. I've hardly driven the bike. I drove it 100 miles to get it here, and I've hardly driven it another 40 miles since I've had it. So I think the thing to do is run some stuff through it and put a few hundred miles on it. We've balanced the carburetors. It's just got a little lag around 2,500, 3,000, and it may settle down. But we've got new low speed and intermediate jets for it. If we need to, we can put them in.